Hey guys, back again. Today we're going to talk about a tub replacement. When you're ordering a new tub, there's a couple of things that you need to know. So let's just go over those real quick. It's a quick 2-minute video and you'll be out of here. So let's do it. Okay guys, this is a bathroom remodel that's coming up. You'll notice that when I come in and I face the bathtub, you see where the plumbing is located on the left hand side. So if you were to go to any big box store or go online to look up tubs, it will tell you if it's a left drain or right drain, and that means the side of the tub where the plumbing is, because you have to know that. This says all the plumbing on the left, so this is called a left drain tub. If the plumbing and drain were on the opposite side, it would be right hand drain. And anyway, that's pretty much all you gotta know.